these are the four important formulas. That is for immediate annuity. Payments are made at the end of every time period. Correct? What next? There is one more, that is annuity due. And how you need to remember this thing. That is, if payment is made half yearly, then replace r by 2 and replace n by 2n in the formula, in the previous formula whatever we talked about. If it is quarterly, then r replace r by 4 and n by 4n. If it is monthly, then replace r by 12 and n by 12n. We did some problems and then अच्छा मैंने फॉर्मूलाज नहीं दिया था क्या एनईटी ड्यू का शायद नहीं विल जस्ट राइट द फॉर्मूलाज next is annuity due. What do you mean by annuity due? Payments are made at the beginning, at the beginning of every time period. In annuity due. Okay, and the formulas are this one. First is e dash. It is, I think मैंने formula लिखाया था c1 plus I upon I, and the same thing 1 plus I raised to n minus 1. The changes is at the place of c you have to write c into 1 plus I. Same p dash was c into 1 plus I upon I, and here it will be 1 minus 1 plus I raised to minus n. Next thing, by relating them, this is same, that is e dash is equal to p dash into 1 plus I raised to n. What next? Next is 1 upon p dash minus 1 upon e dash, that will be equal to I upon c into 1 plus I. Correct? This is the formula. Earlier it was I upon c only, but I told you you have to replace c at the place of c, you have to write c into 1 plus I. Okay, let us see some examples now. Find an accumulated value or future value. Find an accumulated value of an annuity due of 2000 rupees per annum for 4 years. For 4 years at 10% per annum. Okay, how will you do this? What are the things given to you? So you are paying 2000 per month, so this is your C ka value, C equal to 2000. What else? 4 year and 10%. Okay, so what will be your I? R upon 0.1. Correct. What is the formula for E dash actually? What is formula for E dash? Yeah, very nice. So this is the formula, C into 1 plus I upon I, bracket open, 1 plus I raised to n minus 1. So let us put the values. C is 2000. 1 plus I, it will be 1.1. upon 0.1 multiply by 1.1 raised to 4 na minus 1. Just calculate it. 1.1 raised to 4 क्या आएगा? It will be actually और 4 ना तो it will be 14641. Actually 111 का power is some special guys, so I could write it easily. Maybe I'll try to tell you the trick. So if you want to do 11 square, so क्या करने का? You just write 1 here, add these two people. That is 2. 11 square is 121. 11 square is 1. If you want to make 11 cube, so again थोड़ा सा 1 यहाँ पे लिखने का, ये 1 यहाँ पे लिखने का, add these two, it is 3, add these two, this is 3. If you want to calculate 11 raised to 4, थोड़ा सा 1 वहाँ पे, थोड़ा सा 1 यहाँ पे, add these two, write it here, add these two, write it here, add these two, write it here. So this is 314, this is 6, this is 4. So answer is 14641. So this is how I wrote directly 14641. So अभी डेसिमल कितने डिजिट पे लगेगा? 4 पे ना, 4 टाइम्स कर रहा हूँ. So it is 1.416 minus 1. That's it. अभी बाकी कैलकुलेशन तुम लोग कर लो भाई. दिस इज 11/10 आ जाएगा, 0 गया, 200 into 11. So multiply by 0.4641 जो भी है, do that. ओके, एक और क्वेश्चन करें. Do the second. Find the present value. Find the present value of an annuity due. Of an annuity due of rupees 5,000 to be paid per quarter at 6% per annum, compounded quarterly. For 1 year. Okay, how will you calculate this? What are the things given? What you have to find? Tell me quickly. What is the value for C? What is R? And what is N? R is 16%, N is 1 year, correct? So quarterly दिया है ना, quarterly दिया है, तो your R की जगह पे क्या लिखना है तुमको? R/4. So it will be 16 upon, that is 4/100 ना, that is 0.04. Is that okay? ये हो गया. And what is the formula for P dash? C की जगह पे C into, yes, minus N, correct. Let us put the value. Oh, but at the place of N क्या रखने का? 4N, yes, since it is quarterly. So यहाँ पे 4N होगा, बस बाकी सब सेम है. Now put the values and get the answer. See, it is all formula पे ही based है, अगर बस formula बनाना आना चाहिए, that's it. Put the value, क्या आएगा? 5,000 multiply by 1.04 upon 0.04 and multiply by 1 minus, this will be 1.04 raised to minus 4. Other thing is calculation only. See, if the exam is online, so मतलब calculation you need to be quite perfect in that. Calculation में अगर mistake हुआ तो तुम्हारा ये सब कुछ मतलब ही नहीं करता फिर. So Now do the calculation and complete the. सी क्वेश्चन में मेंशन रहेगा एनईटी ड्यू का है कि क्या है. Okay. Shall we go ahead? Now let us do some more problem. Say okay, let us do a problem for this. See, an annuity immediate is to be immediate is to be paid for some years at 12% per annum. The present value of the annuity is the present value of annuity is 10,000 rupees and the accumulated value is and the accumulated value is 20,000. Okay, find the amount of each annuity payment. Find the amount of each annuity payment. Tell me, how will you do? What are the things given and how will you solve this? What are the things given? Okay. Okay. Oh, so what we are supposed to find? C. Correct. Amount for each annuity. Which formula? Equal to I by C. Correct. So substitute and get the answer. Annuity due का है क्या ये क्वेश्चन नहीं ना? So I upon C only. Yes. Put the values. 1 upon P क्या है? 1 upon 10,000 है. माइनस 1 अपॉन 20,000 है. मे बी एन्युटी ड्यू का करना चाहिए था. एक हम लोग ने उसका किया है ये टाइम. सो मैं इधर ही मेंशन करता हूँ फॉर एन एन्युटी ड्यू. सो सपोज ड्यू का क्वेश्चन लेते हैं हम लोग. सो फॉर्मूला क्या चेंज रहेगा? C इंटू 1 प्लस आई आएगा. करेक्ट. सो बेटर है P डैश E डैश लिखते रहते हैं तो बेटर रहेगा, समझेगा अपने को. वी आर हैविंग P डैश का वैल्यू, वी आर हैविंग E डैश का वैल्यू. सो दिस इज ओके. आई का वैल्यू इज, हाँ पहले आई निकालना रहेगा ना. व्हाट विल बी आई? R अपॉन 100 एंड एनुअल पेमेंट है ना. Yes, correct. 12 upon 100, so it will be 0.12. So it is 0.12 divided by C, I don't know, and this will be into 1.12. Correct. How will you solve? Multiply 2 with this, so it will be 2 minus 1. It will be 1 upon 20,000, no? So 1 upon 20,000 equal to what? 0.12 upon C into 1.12. Calculate the value of C. Cross multiply. C will be 0.12 multiplied by 20,000 and divide by 1.12. Correct? Calculate it and tell me. 2000 45 क्या है 2100 कितना बोला 32 2132 42 yes that is what I'm saying 2142.8 यही है anybody else okay good so maybe और क्या है this is the only type of question you will be getting in some cases there may be asking find the rate of interest or something एक क्वेश्चन करते हैं rate of interest का ये find the rate of कौन सा क्वेश्चन नंबर कौन सा है this is fourth one find rate of interest compounded annually if an annuity immediate if an annuity immediate at 20,000 at 20,000 per year amounts to 2,60,000 in 3 years. Tell me what are the things given and what you have to calculate. You are supposed to find value of R, correct? What are the things given to you? Correct. C is equal to 20,000 and E equal to 2,60,000. Very nice. Which formula? Correct. 1 plus I raised to n minus 1. So what we are supposed to I पहले calculate करते हैं फिर we'll go to R. Correct? चलेगा. So this will be E का value is 260 and C value is 220,000 upon I. Bracket 1 plus I will be as it is here. Raised to क्या आएगा? 3 ना? Minus 1. Correct? So what is 1 plus I the whole cube? What is E plus B the whole cube? If you remember. What is E plus B the whole cube? Yes? Either you remember this or ये ओपन किया तो 3a स्क्वायर बी प्लस 3ab स्क्वायर जो भी हो सिमिलरली अगर e माइनस बी द होल क्यूब बोला तो वो क्या रहेगा दैट विल बी e क्यूब minus b cube minus 3ab bracket e minus b. That's why I like this way of representing the formula because if it is minus so everybody will be minus. You don't have to struggle. If you open this bracket then one of them will be minus, one of them will be plus. Yeah, so you apply that and then see इसको उधर भेजा तो कितना आएगा 2 3 4 2 3 4 it is 26 upon 2 so it will be 13 so it will be 13 equal to 1 plus I cube plus 3i square plus 3i minus 1 upon I. So 1 1 गया I से कटुआ so 13 equal to this will be I square plus 3i plus 3 correct. So I square plus 3i वो उधर गया तो 3 minus 13 is minus 10 that is equal to 0. Tell me two factors of 10 such that it is 3. Am I correct? 5 and 2, yes. So this is r square minus 5i, sorry, plus 5i minus 2i, no? Because 5 minus 2i it is 3i. So I common here, so it is I plus 5 minus 2 common here, this is I plus 5 again. So you are having two values, I equal to minus 5 and I equal to 2. Can I be negative? Because it is rate ना, minus में थोड़ी चाहिए हमको. So it is I equal to 2. So I equal to 2, but what is the formula for I? I is R upon 100, na? So what is the value for R? It is 200. So answer is 200%. Correct? Your rate of interest is 200% of the question. Is that okay? So with this, I think the syllabus is almost over. There may be some topic or some type of question which we will be doing later on. Okay, in the next week. So I'll put some question in Google Classroom. Try to solve future value, present value. Starting, I was thinking to write follow the same format. बट आई थॉट कि अगर जो लोग ने 11th स्टैंडर्ड और 12th स्टैंडर्ड में किया रहेगा तो फॉर देम इट विल बी क्वाइट डिफिकल्ट टू ग्रास्प दैट प्रीवियस. So I thought let us go with that one only. That notation CAP, that is quite nice and easy to remember. Okay. Okay then. Thank you so much everyone. Bye. Take care.